I'm extremely jazzed about the Badin and the Ballard plan from Lennar Imagery. This is a brand new series of homes called the Pinnacle series, and Lennar is now finishing up the models so you can see it live. Give me a call. Let's go together. If you go by yourself, tell them that your agent is Roger Holloway. Notice that the third car garage comes with it, but oh, wait a minute, woodworkers. Wait a minute, potters. Wait a minute, photographers. We're going to see in a video here just in a second as I take you on a tour that this could be just a workshop with a craft room, could be all craft room, or it could be a third car garage for your motorcycles and or sports cars. So we're going to take a look at it. Notice that it's going to have a living room here. It's going to have 2 bedrooms and a bath back here. And it's going to be an upstairs if you choose to build it as the Ballard. If you want it as a one-story plan, it's the same configuration without the stairway and the bonus room, bedroom, bathroom upstairs. So let's take a look and go into the video and see what we got here. Looks like we got a real estate dog, Jack, that's on tour with me. So this is that workshop I was telling you about in the third car garage with a craft room you can enter from the house, and the workshop you can enter from outside, or that could be all craft room, or that could be all garage. This is the Badin/Ballard. Going to be the model. Oh, I love that tech shield, radiant barrier up there. So Lennar, competing with Trilogy and Crestwind, has done this. You know, I would take people in, and by the way, when you come in, you do want to give me a call to get on the calendar. When you come in, I'll take you wherever you want to go. You want to go to Trilogy? Yeah, 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors on many of their plans. Crestwind, Charlotte? Yeah, 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors on many of the plans. Now, Lennar Pinnacle series? Haha, 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors. They've done this whole series of plans, and that really makes sense. Why? Because they've got waterfront and water view lots. The only 55-plus community with, again, 10-foot ceiling in Charlotte. And by the way, they've also included that 4-panel slider. You know, Trilogy's rolling wall of windows and Crestwind's big, wide open. You know, it really shows well. I'm so proud of Lennar for thinking that through for this luxury. Now, that island right there looks out right to Mountain Island Lake. How would you like a lot like that? I was on one just a few days ago looking out. I came home and said, baby, come with me. Let's go see Lennar Imagery. Why? Again, that covered patio looking out to Mountain Island Lake. Now, not every one of the Pinnacle homes is going to do that, but they do have some lots right now that have not yet sold. And when you call me, it might be a year from now. Let's see what's available. But again, to be able to stand at your kitchen window and look out at the water, or right here from your covered porch to look out at the water. I mean, does it get any better than that? And again, even though some of the 55 plus have like Lake Norman in their name, it's not right on the water. So this one is. So let's go see it. Imagery at Mountain Island Lake. By the way, this one is very close off of I-485. It's very close in, just a couple of 3 miles from the interstate. I love the location of Imagery. It's on Little Italy, which was owned by the Becklers, the Think Beckler Museum of Modern Art here in town. And they had artists coming onto this property to create works of art from all over the world. And so what you want to do is sort of, if you're an artist, a photographer, you want to get in this property and feel the vibe of Lennar keeping the buildings. So there's your 2 master bedrooms, 2 sinks, and commode room and linen closet and blah, blah, blah. I like the size of this shower right here. Good size shower. Who wants a bathtub, right? I just got rid of mine. And so this master bedroom, again, looking out at the lake. If you choose that kind of a home site, you're going to pay for it. But to put that in perspective, you might only pay $100,000 for the home site, whereas across the street, I had a client that paid $250 for their lakefront. So do the math on it. It's good value. Lennar knows how to build good value. A couple of bedrooms off to the side here. These will be the sales offices, and going down that room into that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful craft room. So give me a call, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.